The rules are simple, gentlemen. Okay, so, para empezar, each one starts with one ball, right? You have to look at him in the eyes, and he's got to look you in the eyes. And you guys have to take your shot at the same time. Voy a contar
at the same time.
At the same time. Voy a contar hasta tres. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. Okay? And you guys are still looking each other in the eyes, trying to make a cup. You can't look at the cups. You have to look at each other in the eyes when you shoot it. Whoever makes it gets the first shot. Okay? Each person gets 2 shots. ¿Entendieron?
Kind of.
Que se lo digan entre ustedes. Loser eats one of these.
Fuck, it just became a reality, bro. Oh, fuck. You gotta say the countdown.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Got both trash, boy. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Wait, you made it? Oh shit, he didn't make it. This dude's going first. His first shot. Did he make that shit?
Yeah.
Damn, bro. We're gonna take that cup out.
Brother.
Yo, bro, what's going on? What's going on, man? Hey, don't be scared, bro. Don't be scared, man.
I'm actually shaking.
Yeah, your elbow can't pass through. Oof. Oof. It's also a little short, bro. Your elbow can't pass the red line. When you shoot it, your elbow can't pass it.
Yes, sir. Official, sir. Oh, it's because of the Yankee table.
Yeah, it's the table, bro. Yeah. Oof. Yo, this sun, bro. This sun, man.
Oh.
Oh my god.
I'm actually trying.
You're trying?
I'm trying.
Oh, okay.
Damn, bro, that was an
Damn, that's the first cup. It's tied, baby. It's tied, 1-1.
Yes, sir. Oh, man.
Damn, bro. Lupe is on fire. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Boy.
You're mad.
Ooh, you're mad. You're mad. Come on, Cecil, you're letting me down, man. Bro, it's not looking good for you, man.
My coach is
Cecil, put the ball in the cup.
ball.
The ball,
equals cup.
ball equals cup. Ball in the cup. Put the ball in the cup. Make the ball go home. You ever watch Happy Gilmore?
I'm too young.
Damn. That's an old movie. Oh, no, yeah, you're right. You're too young. You're too young. Ooh. Ooh. I'll explain after y'all finish this game.
That's all my strategy, by the way.
Ah, I see.
You don't mind attitude.
Yeah, nice. You're just tiring them out. Ooh. Ooh. I know your butthole just clenched.
Nigga with my strategy again. Forget to check the line, cousin.
For real, cup. For real.
I want no cheating in this game.
Ooh. It's gotta be fair and square. Speaking of squares, bro, we should make a SpongeBob wapango. Ooh, that could have been 2 cups.
Dude, those are comfy. Can you show me like the angle? Like, is it 90 degrees, 180?
You started at a 45-degree angle, and then you just flick the wrist. It's all on the flick of the wrist, yeah, bro.
45 degrees.
Yeah, 45.
Look at the wrist.
Flick the wrist, yeah.
I don't think I was at 46.
You were at 46. You were at 46.
That was definitely win, bro. You saw that.
Yeah.
It went to the right.
Somebody opened the door.
Yeah.
What is this?
Oh my God.
What is this?
That's the best shot of the game. Yo, what?
Do some cool.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's
Can't top my coolness.
that's kind of cool, I guess. I mean, Sosa coming back. Ooh! Yo, now. Hey, now he's at 45. That's 45 degree angle right there.
45 degrees. I got the angles now.
You got the angles, man. Yeah, something like that, bro. You're close, yeah. Ooh. Now he's trying to copy. Why are you trying to copy people?
Bro, it's just the ball. It's just the natural flow of the ball.
And, yeah, but I don't want to give you like too many videos to edit. Damn,
It's tight again. No.
I had to say something. Damn. Oh, chill. I wasn't recording. What the hell? Damn. Y'all are working me out. What the? I was tripping. I thought I had. Oh, shit. What the? What the? Oh!
Hey, boys.
Ooh. Oh, we might have to. Ooh.
Next one. There.
Oh my god. There's no way he just made that.
There it is, bro. It's.
The proof is in the pudding.
Alright, wait. Alright, so Lupe made it. But Soso has he's got one chance. He's got one redemption shot. If he makes it, they could either if he makes it, okay, yeah, because we're not doing overtime. We're not gonna do overtime. Alright, if you make it, both you guys are gonna take it, okay? So this is just
I gotta take it anyway.
you gotta take it anyways, yeah. Alright.
That made rim! Oh my. Yeah, can't get that right.
He's gonna need all of that,
I'm
man.
gonna need that entire drum, brother.
This one right here.
There's no way I can do this, dude. I have to eat the whole thing?
The whole thing.
Alright, so what? The whole thing or half? ¿Qué pedo? La mitad or what? It's salsa, bro. It's salsa.
Give me half, bro.
We got it. It's salsa, bro.
Give me, bro. Give me half. Or something smaller, bro.
Yeah, a smaller one.
God.
Look, you can eat half of that, half of that.
Half of that.
Half of that.
Half of this?
Yeah.
It is basically half of this one.
It is.
Damn, man. Yeah, watch them.
I'm not. You don't have to do it. I'm just saying.
Do it. Damn. Yeah, don't touch your eyes.
The whole thing, right? I'm gonna drink all this water. I don't freaking care. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Oh my god! You gotta rip it open, brother. Oh my god, I'm dying! Oh! It's in my nuts!
Can you breathe?
Yeah. I'm gonna do it right now.
You good, bro?
Bro, that shit not that sweaty.
You're sweating. You alright, bro? Oh shit. Drink some milk, bro.
I'm gonna throw up.
You need to cut it?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
It's not hot, bro?
Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This shit is spicy, dude.
The bit's like, yeah, whatever, bro.
Don't ever fucking do it. Don't ever do it.
Lupe, on a scale of 1 to 10, bro, tell me right now.
That shit's spicy. Fuck. What's her name, bro? Time to bring some more milk. Please.
Oh my god. Stop it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bro.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you got a little some on your chin, bro. Where the fuck did he go?
Brother, that is not a joke. Oh my holy god. Oh,
Yeah, on a scale of 1 to 10, bro, tell me.
20, 100. There's no way that's not made for the devil, dude.
Yeah, you're sweating, bro.
Chamaquito.
It's hot in here.
Spicy, but it's not that spicy. That shit got my shit numb.
He said it's spicy, but it's not that spicy. All I can say is just be better next time, bro.
Fuck you.